the State Bank of India. Because in our judgment, we had directed disclosure specifically of all details of the bonds, including the purchaser, the amount, and the date of purchase. They have not disclosed the bond numbers because that had to be disclosed by the State Bank of India. Because if you see our judgment,
Chief's judgment is quite clear on that. All details.
So all details have to be furnished by the State Bank of India.
I am for the government.
And they had said in their own application that they have the bond numbers, etc. But they said that they were in two different silos.
That's right.
The SBI's application for extension was on the ground.
SBI is not a party. They were here because they moved an application.
Anyway, if they disclose the bond number, we have no problem with that.
Lordships may issue notice to SBI, my lords.
Yes.
Application.
My lord, may I mention, my lord?
Lordships may issue notice to SBI, my lords.
No, that no.
I'm requesting the Honorable God.
An application has been filed by the Election Commission of India seeking further directions.
Stop.
In the judgment, in the order of this court dated, what is it?
11th of March.
11 March 2024. This court had directed that the Election Commission of India, that ECI, shall upload on its website the data which was furnished to this court and which was being maintained in the custody of this court. While issuing this direction, the court had presumed that a copy of the data which was lodged before this court, before the registry of this court, would be available with the ECI. Mr. Amit Sharma, learned counsel appearing on behalf of ECI, states that as a matter of fact, ECI did not retain any copy of the data which was collated by it, since it was being placed before this court in sealed custody. The request, therefore, of the ECI is that the data which has been filed in this court may be returned to it, so as to enable it to comply with the order of this court for uploading all the documents. This request of the ECI has not been opposed either by Mr. Kapil Sibal or the senior counsel or Mr. Prashant Bhushan, the counsel. Mr. Vijay Hansaya, it is yours. We accordingly issue the following directions. (1) The Registrar Judicial of this court shall ensure that the data which has been filed by ECI in pursuance of the interim orders of this court is scanned and digitized. Upon the process being complete, this may be preferably carried out during the course. It may be carried by during the course of the day tomorrow, by 5 p.m. tomorrow. Once the above exercise is completed, the original shall be returned to Mr. Amit Sharma, then counsel appearing on behalf of the ECI. ECI shall then upload the data on its website within a period of on or before, day after.
Not a copy of the digitized may also be given, Lord, so it will not take time in
a copy of the, yes, fair enough. A copy of the scanned and digitized files shall also be made available to Mr. Amit Sharma so as to obviate the replication of the process of scanning and digitization. So now we'll pass another order. We'll say,
would your lordships consider issuing notice to SBI? They may have something to say.
Why do we have to? They should be here when the matter is going on.
Lord, I'm sorry, my lord. Please. Look, they filed an application which is disposed of. They are not parties.
But really speaking, we can take exception to what they have disclosed because they were duty bound.
I'm not appearing for SBI.
The court can pass an order.
Lordships may hear. I'm not here, my lord, for political.
Someone,